Around here, we're complaining because it's a little chilly outside, all the way down to about 70 degrees, Bobby.
Come on, Dave. It's Florida, right? It's 60. They said, well, how is it? About 70 degrees. I said, but there are some 60s out there, Dave. So, and we're going to the low to mid 60s for tomorrow morning. So what happened was we initially set up Thursday, Friday with some lake effect snow with the cold air and wind coming across the lakes up north. And then Saturday, we had this storm system come across Iowa into Chicago, and that low is moving all the way to the east. That's what's left of it right there. That's the main reason for all of those weather-related delays that happened, especially Sunday to Monday. We knew that was kind of coming, right? But things are starting to clear out at least a little bit for now. Now, we are getting here some of that cold air associated with it. Look at it dipping all the way down in New Orleans, 43 right now. But we're getting a taste. It's in the mid-40s in the Panhandle now. And so we're not going to get that cold, but we are going to get some chillier air behind the front. The front is coming through the area right now. And by the time you get outside tomorrow morning, it's going to be low to mid 60s. It's going to be a whole lot less humid than what it has been. And then we kind of get back on our roller coaster with temperatures again. So tomorrow, low to mid 70s, lower 70s really. Closer to 80 by Thursday, although most of the day is spent in the 70s. But I think Friday and Saturday we will get to about 80 degrees. Sunday would be that warm because the front doesn't come through till later in the evening, but clouds and rain. I told you at the top of the show, right? And then look at the air behind that. 60s for highs as we get into Monday and Tuesday of next week. So here's what the rain looks like. Nothing Wednesday, Thursday, completely dry. Friday, especially Tampa north where you see Pasco, Hernando, parts of Citrus. Same thing on Saturday. I did go 30%, but obviously Sunday is the day that we're going to see our best rain chances. So let's go in order here. Let's talk about temps. Most areas in the 60s. Upper 60s to near 70 for Tampa, 71 in St. Pete. Winds, they have turned to the north and the west. Not a lot of wind behind this front, but enough to bring in the cooler air. And it'll pick up a little bit overnight tonight and tomorrow morning as the cold air comes south. Now, these are the wake-up temps for your Wednesday morning. A little bit cooler than what we had out there this morning. A lot drier. 58 in Brooksville, 65 in Tampa and Sarasota. We'll wake up 61 in Lakeland. Kind of cool out there. Now, tomorrow, beautiful sunshine. I think a few clouds in the morning, but sunshine in the afternoon, and right around 73, 74 for a daytime high. You can see Tampa's right around 73, 68, though, for Crystal River. So, yeah, some spots are going to struggle to get out of the upper 60s. North to northwest winds tomorrow. Again, not a ton of wind behind it, but 2 to 3 footers. Exercise caution. It's kind of bumpy. It's not terrible. Now, let's talk about Wednesday. That's the dryness, right? Lots of sunshine. That's Thursday. But here's the rain creeping in. Look at Friday, just a few showers. Now let's go out to Saturday. Let's get a little bit closer. And then here comes Sunday. And that, as this pushes through 7 a.m., 1 p.m., kickoff time for the Bucks, and then that's about 8 p.m. So timing's going to change a little bit, but if you look at the 7-day forecast, Sunday is the day that we have to watch our outdoor plans, and that's why we shaded it red. That's what we call a weather impact alert. I think maybe a couple of thunderstorms. I'm not expecting severe weather with this, but a rain out is possible for many things. And that's why we do our weather impact alerts. It's for you to be able to look at this and say, what day is the day that I need to be concentrating on for my outdoor plans? And it's Sunday right now that we have that rain chance. We'll go over the timing. We'll go over what it exactly looks like as we get closer. But right now, that's a heads up that Sunday we could get some good rain. We need it, Dave.